In this video, you will know how to choose influencers that will benefit your business. There are 4 groups of people that you need to be friends with. Each of them can bring you to the new audience and help to build your influence. Watch this video till the end to see if you already know someone who can help your marketing. If we haven't met before, my name is Marina Barayeva, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your personal brand and become well known in your industry. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and click a bell if you like this video and you want to see more content like this. First, let's clarify, what is an influencer? An influencer is a person who can impact the opinion and behavior of people because of his or her authority, knowledge, position, and or relationship with the audience. Here are the key components. When you work with the influencers, you leverage their audience, their name, or both. That way, when you work with them, you grow exponentially. So here's how to choose influencers that will benefit your business. These categories of people either already well known in the industry or can bring you in front of new people. Celebrities, industry experts and thought leaders, bloggers and content creators, and micro-influencers. Let's get through each group. Celebrities are people with millions of followers. You can think of such names as Selena Gomez with more than 100 million followers, or the most popular YouTuber, PewDiePie, with more than 100 million subscribers. There are plenty of other people. Just put 6-7 zeros after a number of followers on any social media channel, and here you go, you'll get a celebrity. Working with celebrity influencers will most likely get you in front of millions of people and potential clients. This will obviously get you much more exposure. But you need to choose influencers that match the market you're targeting, because it's gonna cost you a lot. I mean, a lot of money, and you don't want to just throw them away. The next group of influencers is industry experts and thought leaders. That's a minimal level that you should set for yourself to grow to. These are people who are known for their expertise, work, and experience in the specific field. They are trusted sources who move and inspire people with innovative ideas. With time, they create a dedicated group of friends, fans, and followers to help them replicate and scale their ideas in something bigger in the industry. They're always good to collaborate with, and sometimes there is no need to get them involved directly. You can create the project around their names. After you finish watching this video, click on that card to see a case study of how Michael Shine wrote an article about Gary Vaynerchuk. Many people found out it provoking, and it created a lot of media buzz around him. The third group of people is bloggers and content creators. I mean, everyone who creates content or involved in creating content around a specific topic and who has a solid number of readers or viewers. Those can be YouTubers, podcasters, journalists in online or offline magazines, radio or TV hosts. They are all influencers who can get you in front of your audience and help to gain credibility. Thinking about how to choose influencers among these people, there are thousands of options. You will benefit from those who have a specific niche and work with the same audience as you. That doesn't mean that they should talk about the same stuff as you. If you're a fitness trainer who helps people to lose weight, similar niches may be healthy lifestyle, or healthy food, or yoga exercises. These types of influencers you can easily start with right away. To begin with, you can search for the bloggers meetups in your city or organize it yourself. When we had a bloggers meetup in Beijing, We had a group of mom bloggers who right there came up with the Roundup post idea to cross-promote each other. You can even suggest to a blogger to organize these types of Roundup posts and help to find people for it. If you want to reach out to podcasters and journalists, you can pitch them as an expert, sharing your story and knowledge. Or you can ask if they are interested to talk about your recent project. And here's the last group of influencers that will benefit your business. Micro-influencers are normal everyday people who have become known for their knowledge in the specific audience and or have their engaged community. Especially good if they have many conversations going on social media. That means that they are communicating with people on a regular basis. Their followers listen to them, and they will listen if this micro-influencer will recommend your service. Looking at all of these 4 groups, if I would need to pick only one group to focus on to grow a business and personal brand, I would go with content creators. At the same time, they help you with both reaching people and gain credibility. If you are up to that too, check this special guide that will help you quickly to get featured on the Niche podcast. It has detailed steps that even introverts can apply and be great guests on the shows. If you click the link below, you'll get this guide for free. And from there, if I would have extra time, I would go with the industry experts and micro-influencers. But if you can easily reach any of these people, go for it. Marketing is all about testing and doing more of what works for you. Question of the day. About which group of influencers do you want to get examples on how to work with? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll share some ideas and case studies.